Hi, I am back with another video. I hope you will like this video. Today I will tell you how to make an animated intro and outro. Many of you are using Canva for that, but I found better website than Canva. Please watch full video. I will make an intro from scratch. There are so many pre-built template available on FlexClip. As you can see that I am using this intro and this outro in my video. There is so much to explore. In this website I will tell you in full detail, but that's another video topic. Now I will make an intro from scratch, and I will add catchy music to the intro as well, so don't skip anything. When you click on Start from Scratch, it will give you two options: Storyboard mode and Timeline mode. Timeline mode still in beta, and it's not working perfectly, but Storyboard mode working perfectly. So we will choose that. It will ask you to choose your video ratio. Then choose default one. After that it will take some time to load the editor. It depends on your internet speed. By default it will show you black window. I will change it to white color for now. I will try to make intros similar to my channel intro. You can create as you like. Now I will find an animated circle from Elements. You can find lots of animated items from this website Elements section. I will choose this element. Double tap to add item on the window. Now I will make it bigger and center it to the screen. Perfect. Now I will search YouTube animated element. Search it and hover over the element to preview it. I like this one. Let me add this to timeline. Increase this element size and align it to the center. Now preview the full video to check if we are doing it right or not. I think this is great. Now I will add some text to my intro video. Add basic text without any animation. We will add it later. By default color of the text is white. Change it to black color from here. Now double tap on text to edit it. I am adding my second channel name here. Now I will change font style. You can choose any style you want. I will add this one to my text. I will reduce font size and align it to center so it look perfect in the intro. Now go to Elements and add this square shape. Transform it into rectangle shape. Reduce it more and align into center. Now I will add another basic text. Repeat same steps. Change font style. Reduce font size so it get aligned perfectly on rectangle. It's look perfect now. It's time to add motion to text and rectangle shape. Select World Text or Text, and then you will find this option. Click on Motion. By default it's set on None. And Motion in and out selected also. So I will change it and set it to in Only. I want motion only when video gets started. You can do anything with it. I will set motion to wipe up. Now click on this icon here and adjust motion time. So it will come at after some delay. This option is best feature of this website. You cannot change motion time in Canva. I will add same motion to square shape and the other text, and add some delay to both. Now I will select second text and add same motion to it. Select square shape now and click on Motion. Now click on In, then add same motion to it. Now I will adjust time of it, like I did to first text. Adjust both elements time one by one. Now let's check it. This looks perfect. Now I will add same music, which I used in my own YouTube intro. Click on Music tab, and then click on Stock Music, or you can add your own music to it. Now search here Electronic Smooth. It will show you music list. Now, play first one and check it. You can choose any music which you like. There are millions of stock images, videos and music available. After selecting which music you wanna add, just click on Use. It will add music to your timeline. Play the video and check it. Music is added. Now I will add background video. To make this intro more amazing, click on Background tab and search white background. You will find abstract videos. For background, click on video which you want to add. After that, click on Use Video. It will automatically add it in the background. Play it and check the results. I think it's amazing. You can add more things to make it more perfect. Now I recommend you to add pre-built outro. If you cannot create intro from scratch, you can use pre-built ones. Click on Templates tab and search outro. It will show you pre-built amazing outro, which you can find only in professionals video creators YouTube videos. I will add this outro to this video. Click on it and it will show you plus sign. Click on it, then it will add this outro to next storyboard. You can change it as you want. Edit it and change your social media account's username. Double-click on where your logo is written. Then browse your channel logo here. Now play and check both intro and outro. If anything missing, you can add it before exporting the video. I think both are perfect for me. Click on Export button. Now select resolution. I have paid account for this website, so I can export it in 1080p resolution. In free version, you only able to export it in 480p resolution. Now enter video name and created by. After that, click on Export Video. It will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your internet speed. After video gets download. Now let me open and show you video quality. It's amazing and high quality intro video. And outro is also great. You can do more with this website. Close the video now and click on Continue Editing. Click on Flex Clip Logo. It will get you to main website page. This project is automatically get saved. You can edit it anytime. This website has more features than Canva and other websites like it. I will do more video on this website. This website is useful for YouTubers, for freelancers and for businesses as well. My subscribers will get premium accounts in next few videos. Stay active if you want this website premium account. Please like, share and subscribe. I will also bring text-to-speech software, because many of you want it. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.